Hello viewers and welcome back once again to my cooking channel, and I am here with a Punjabi recipe today, that is Sukhi Urad Dal recipe in Punjabi style. Many people don't know that Urad Dal also can be made as curry, but it can be made with two different types. One is semi gravy Urad Dal and one is Sukhi Urad Dal recipe. This Sukhi Urad Dal is very famous in Punjab and Rajasthan side. So let's make this Sukhi Urad Dal recipe in Punjabi style. Around 150 grams of Urad Dal I have washed nicely with 2 waters and I have soaked for 1 hour. You have to soak it for half an hour to 1 hour. After 1 hour, let's transfer the urad dal to another container and cook it for around 15 to 20 minutes, adding some water, around 2 glasses of water, and adding 1 teaspoon of oil. Adding oil helps in speeding up the cooking process. By the time our dal is cooking in medium flame, let's cut and keep the ingredients ready for tempering. First, let's take 1 medium sized onion and chop it finely. Two green chilies cut into tiny small pieces. One large tomato I have taken and let's chop it finely in this way. Now let's check our urad dal, which is cooking from past 12 minutes. Now it's almost done, about 80% done. Let's cook it for some more time. And now let's prepare our curry or tempering for the dal. I have added 3 tablespoons of refined oil to a kadai and added whole jeera, some half a spoon of whole jeera and 2 bay leaves to it. Now, once the jeera starts crackling, let's add our finely chopped onion. Let's wait until the onion slightly turns golden brown. Now I'm adding chopped green chilies, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Adding the chopped tomato now. Let's add some salt. Salt helps in tenderizing the tomatoes and other ingredients. Now adding some turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of red chili powder and half a spoon of coriander powder. Let's mix all the ingredients. Add little water so that all the ingredients should mix and cook well. Some more water. I have kept the flame in medium. Let's cook the masala for 4 to 5 minutes. Now the masala is well cooked. At this point, let's add our cooked urad dal. The urad dal is almost done. Adding some garam masala powder and little bit of amchur powder. Amchur powder is optional. If you don't want tanginess in the dal, you can skip the amchur powder. Finally, garnishing the dal with freshly chopped coriander leaves. Now let's wait and cook the dal until the water becomes dry. The consistency of the dal should be like this. Now it's perfectly done. Believe me, this Sukhi Urad Dal tastes very yummy. with chapati, fulka or naan, or even with rice. Please subscribe to our channel and support us, and see you in my next video soon. Thank you so much for watching.